thank you for sharing your story, right? One of the things that I heard was you enabled everyone in your organization to use the data through, I'm assuming, self-service dashboards. Now, what kind of guardrails did you have to make sure that the data is being interpreted right and the right decisions are being made using the data, not the other way around, because that could kind of derail some of the decisions that they take?
Sure. So I think, thank you for your question. I think we've predominantly, we're still centralizing our report writing. So I'm not a believer in self-service as it used to be. I think it's more self-exploration, if you like. So the predominance of our reporting suite is curated, is written in the center, and then individuals have got an opportunity to explore the data within the guardrails, as you stated. What we absolutely wouldn't do is just have kind of open season, because I think that's a real risk. And I think if you'd spoken to vendors maybe 10 years ago, they would have told you that that was the future. My opinion is that that isn't the future at all. You're opening yourself up to all kinds of misuse, I suppose, of the data if you take that approach.
Thank you.